אני מוכן.
Bereishit. It's a new beginning. But that new beginning is actually an invitation to connection and relationship. The divine and the infinite presence was fine on his own, except for one missing reality, and that is of another with whom to relate, another with whom to discover love. See, the very word Bereshit, which starts with the letter Bet, is about two, because the numerical value of Bet is two. The very word starts with two letters, Bar, which mean outside. Bar Ashit, I place something outside myself, says God. There's something there with which I will interrelate and connect. But that's exactly what it is. It's the intercourse between these two. And you see, in the Garden of Eden, Adam and Eve, they chose just the individuation, eating from the tree of knowing and judgment, eating the tree of opinionating and of just involving myself in my own little world, became the saddest moment in the Bible when they cover in shame their organs of connection with a sense of vulnerability and protectiveness. But there's the tree of life. It's still there. The tree of life in all of its expansiveness and interconnectivity between all things. That tree of life is, when it interconnects and interrelates with the tree of knowledge, becomes the possibility of love, of stepping beyond one's own separateness into a reality and a world and a consciousness which is inclusive and interrelates. It's the interaction between these two, and in fact, according to the Kabbalists, they're really one tree with one root and two perspectives. Let's connect to that by breathing in as we experience our expansiveness, breathing out as we allow for our aloneness, and watch how each really nurtures the other into this magnificent world of Bereshit.